pullers here, so I can take this flywheel off now. These are either really loose or you can't hardly get them off, so what I've done is just block the crank up. I've got 2 hammers and a screwdriver going through the crank, so I can take the nut off. Oh, that was easy. I've only got 2 bolts with this, so I've got to do the best I can. I'll just get it set up off camera. Anyway, that's how you set it up. There's 3 bolts, so I need a 3rd bolt for this. But anyway, when I was putting it on, it just fell off, so it weren't that tight. But yours might be. There's your starter clutch at the back, sprag clutch. Then you got your starter ring gear, needle bearing. I think the Woodruff keys just fell somewhere. Yeah, the Woodruff keys fell out. A little washer. That's your timing chain gear at the bottom, but that's press fitted. Then your starter gear there, your idle gear. The washer goes on first, that then your ring. I was lucky. Woodruff keys there. Could have easily gone in the engine there because there's a great big gap there. So watch out you don't lose that. Keep that safe. Well, that's it.